So another thing that I'd like to do, or I always do after taking a bath, is manambal sa mga sumpa. Here na ako'y pimple. So need na ko siya tambalan. Now, I'm using this solution. Bought this online and it actually helps to really eliminate ang mga active ni mga pimples. This one. Alright, so stingy if di mo makuha ang product, like dapat kuhaan din mo ang product and such. Siguro di makita akong pimple kaayo. It's because naggamit ko filter sa akong camera, but these are the affected areas of responsibility. Oh, here as well na dairy, and I'm not sure if tari na pa na. Kanilang gisa din mo ako ang problem, guys, like directly sa frontal need siya ma-eliminate, and it really subside good ang kadakon sa imong pimple after 24 hours. So yeah, that's how I treat my pimple. Ooh. See you in 24 hours. Bye bye.